Most people think making money online is luck. They see influencers flexing cars, laptops, and passive income screenshots and assume it's impossible for normal people. But the truth is simple. There are people right now making over $1,000 every single week online, not because they're geniuses, but because they mastered one valuable skill and stayed consistent long enough to get paid. And in this video, I'll show you online side hustles that can realistically make you $1,000 per week, even if you're starting from zero. So watch till the end. Number 1. Freelance video editing. Short-form content is exploding. Every business, creator, and brand wants TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, but most of them don't know how to edit. That's where you come in. If you learn basic editing using apps like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut, you can charge clients for editing videos. At first, you might earn $20 to $50 per video, but once your skills improve, one client alone can pay you hundreds every week. And here's the crazy part. You don't even need expensive equipment. A basic laptop and internet connection are enough to start. Thousands of creators are looking for editors every single day. The opportunity is massive. Number 2. Print-on-demand business. Imagine selling hoodies, mugs, phone cases, or t-shirts online without touching inventory. That's print-on-demand. You create a design, upload it to platforms like Etsy or Shopify, and when someone buys your product, a third-party company prints and ships it for you. No warehouse, no stock, no packaging. If one design goes viral, it can generate sales while you sleep. The key is finding trending niches, motivational quotes, anime designs, gym culture, funny memes. Simple ideas can turn into serious money online. Number 3. AI content creation. AI is changing the internet fast. Businesses now need scripts, captions, blog posts, thumbnails, and social media content every day, and most business owners don't have time to create all of it themselves. That's why AI content creators are making money. You can use AI tools to help companies write content, create social media posts, or even manage entire pages. And no, this doesn't mean pressing one button and getting rich. The people winning with AI are the ones combining creativity with consistency. If you understand attention, you can make money online. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the most powerful online side hustles in the world. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't need your own product. You don't need customer service. You simply recommend useful products through YouTube, TikTok, blogs, or social media. For example, a person reviews gadgets online. Another person promotes fitness products. Someone else recommends books or software, and every sale earns them money. The more trust you build, the more you earn. That's why some affiliate marketers make thousands every single week. Number 5. Faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. That myth is dead. There are faceless channels getting millions of views talking about motivation, business, facts, luxury, history, finance, and AI. You can use stock footage, voiceovers, subtitles, and good storytelling. And once your channel grows, income can come from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. One successful video can change your life. But remember this, most people quit too early. They upload 5 videos, get no views, and disappear. The people who succeed are the ones who keep posting when nobody is watching. Listen carefully. None of these side hustles are easy money. Every single one requires patience, discipline, and consistency. But here's the truth most people avoid. The internet has created more opportunities than any time in history. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment which side hustle you would start first.